Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa will be uploading minimum 4 videos every week. You will going to find new videos on every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, 7 p.m. Malaysian time at night. And for the past 2.5 years, Appa has uploaded over 600 cooking videos and cooking ideas. So if you just want to get some ideas, just take a look when you are free. And I have grouped all my videos into different playlists. Example, you have a fish, you can check out my seafood playlist. You have a pork, you can check out my pork playlist. Or chicken, go for chicken playlist, so and so forth. Okay, so now today, this is actually my wife's favorite, but I think I haven't made any videos on this before because it is usually prepared by my mother-in-law somehow. Okay, anyway, today I'm going to make green long bean, supposed to be called long bean rice, 菜豆饭. Okay, long bean rice. But today, I'm not using long bean. I'm actually using French beans and cut it into small chunks like this. So why do I choose French beans over long bean? Very simple, because I like it. Just that simple. Okay, there's no rules in Appa's kitchen. So let's look at the ingredient here. I have this is about 2 cups of rice. I have washed it for 3 rounds actually just now. 2 cups of rice for 3 person and 1 baby. My 1 3-year-old girl. And this is important. You need a lot of you need some shiitake mushroom. This is 4 pieces of shiitake mushroom, soak until softened, and then cut it into thin slices and remove the stems in the middle. Usually they will actually put in marinated pork belly, but today instead of pork belly I use Chinese sausage. Okay, personal preference again. And I have 1 tablespoons of coarsely chopped dried shrimp. Yeah, this is also important to give it the flavor. And the next very important for this dish is this one, onion, shallot. Okay, small onion, shallot. So the shallot flavor is actually very important here. I have about 2 tablespoons of shallot. This is about 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. And just to give it more flavor, you see I have 2 different kinds of oil here. Now, not all oil is used for deep frying. This oil is actually used for flavoring. They are seasoning today. This thing here is pork lard. Okay, I have some pork lard, optional. If you don't have it, no problem. Forget about it. One of the reasons why I put it in is because I'm not using pork belly today. If I use pork belly today, then probably I don't need this, because pork belly already has the pork fat. And this one is 2 tablespoons of onion oil to really enhance the flavor. I always have homemade onion oil at home. Okay, so it's actually very simple. Fry everything up. Fry the rice a little bit. Put it into the rice cooker and let it cook. Done. Okay, so before we start, we will start with sauteing the onion. Yeah, let's make some shallot oil or onion oil here. And also we can also put in some garlic together. Saute this. I forgot to on my fire. Okay, saute this for a minute or 2 to really bring out the fragrance. If you want to make it more golden brown, also can. Totally up to you. Probably I will make it like 20-30% golden brown before I add in the next ingredient. So we will come back shortly. So this is after about 2 minutes. It has started to turn brownish. Push it to the side. Put in the shiitake mushroom together with the dried shrimp. Mix everything together. Actually, I don't mind putting in the sausage, Chinese sausage. By the way, if you want to remove the very thin film wrap around the Chinese sausage, just soak under water for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you can use a scissor to cut it through very easily. Ooh, very fragrant. So fragrant. Okay, saute this for a while. Then the beans. This is not to cook the beans, but rather to 去腥. Chinese say 去腥. Meaning, in English, if I translate directly, it means to remove the earthy smell of the beans is enough. Okay. It's a bit dry right now. Remember, just now I have some onion oil, so I'm going to add it in. If you find it's too dry, then you have to add in some vegetable oil as well. It's up to you. Nice. Right. Now we can add, I want to tune down the fire, tune down the heat. Some people scolded me, Appa. They say, Appa, you are using electric stove, no fire, but you understand what I'm trying to say, right? That's more than enough. Now, I'm going to put it in the washed jasmine rice. Usually we use jasmine rice, yeah. And my pork lard together with the oil. Use medium-low fire to stir fry it. And we can now season it with some salt. Okay, with some salt. And tune down the fire first. 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. And black or dark soya sauce or thick soya sauce, more for the color. Can also put a little bit of just a little bit of sugar and few dashes of white pepper. Where's white pepper? No, this one is not nice. Few dashes of white pepper and a little bit of maybe 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I already almost off the fire right now, okay? I don't want it to get burnt. How about oysters? 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Always put your oyster sauce inside the fridge, because especially if you are using Dikamke, because Dikamke oyster sauce doesn't have any preservative. Okay, increase the heat to medium. Give it a few stir to stir fry it. Right. Now the flavor is up. The color is also there. Okay, and now we can move this over to the rice cooker pot off the fire. Ooh, already look very good. I'm going to move it to my rice cooker. Okay, this is by the inner pot of my rice cooker, and then we need to add in the necessary water. So how much water to add in? Usually if you are cooking jasmine rice, the ratio of rice to water should be 1 to 1.1 or 1.2, somewhere around there. Okay, so meaning the water is slightly more than the amount of your rice. I know Uncle Roger talks about the index finger. If you want to use it, by all, yeah, you can use it too. Okay, I'll add just a little bit more water here. So just now I used 2 cups, so now I'm giving about almost 2.5 cup of water inside. 1 to 1.1 or 1 to 1.2. Then just put it inside the rice cooker and let it cook, and it's done. Alright, so my French beans rice is ready. The Cai Dou Fan is ready. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Ahpa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Ahpa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Ahpa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.